Composing a successful instrumental part for a song can significantly contribute to its overall appeal. Here's a breakdown of the key components you should consider when crafting the instrumental part of a song. Verse. The verse is the main storytelling section of the song. It sets the tone and provides the context for the lyrics. In the instrumental part of the verse, you want to create a musical backdrop that complements the lyrics and supports the vocal melody. Keep the instrumentation relatively simple and build up the dynamics gradually. Chorus. The chorus is the most memorable and catchy part of the song. It typically contains the main hook or the central message of the track. The instrumental part of the chorus should be more energetic and dynamic than the verse. Consider adding additional layers of instrumentation, using stronger chord progressions, and creating a fuller sound to make it stand out. Pre-chorus. The pre-chorus serves as a transition between the verse and chorus. It builds anticipation for the chorus and often has a different chord progression than the rest of the song. In the instrumental part, you can gradually intensify the music, leading up to the powerful chorus. Bridge. The bridge provides a contrast to the rest of the song and adds variety. It's a great place to showcase different instrumentation or experiment with a new musical idea. In some songs, the bridge may be entirely instrumental, giving you the opportunity to be creative and add a unique flair to the track. Intro and outro. The intro sets the mood and introduces listeners to the song's theme. The outro, on the other hand, serves as a way to conclude the song smoothly. These sections can be instrumental or include a stripped-down version of the main motif from the song. Instrumentation. Choose instruments that fit the genre and style of the song. The instrumental arrangement should complement the mood and emotion of the lyrics. Melody. Craft a strong and memorable instrumental melody that can stand on its own, even without vocals. The melody should be catchy and easily recognizable, helping to create an emotional connection with the listeners. Rhythm and groove. The rhythm and groove are essential for driving the song forward and keeping the listener engaged. Experiment with different rhythmic patterns and ensure that the instrumental part has a cohesive and infectious rhythm. Dynamics. Create dynamics by varying the intensity and volume of the instrumental sections. This adds depth and interest to the song, making it more engaging for the audience. Repetition and variation. Repetition is essential for making a song memorable, but it's crucial to balance it with variation to avoid becoming monotonous. Introduce slight variations in the instrumental parts throughout the song to keep it fresh and exciting. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all formula for success, and creating a hit song involves a combination of creativity, talent, and understanding your target audience. Stay true to your artistic vision while also being open to feedback and collaboration. Keep experimenting and refining your ideas until you find the perfect blend that makes your instrumental part shine.